Hello and welcome to the Daily Message on this Tuesday in the fifth week of Lent. As I have been doing throughout the season of Lent, I'll be offering just a brief reflection on some aspect of the message that comes to us from Creighton University. And so today I call your attention to the first and second lines in the Collect Prayer, which say, "Grant us, we pray, O Lord, perseverance in obeying your will." And that phrase stuck out to me because during this time of COVID-19 isolation, we do need the virtue of perseverance. We've now been spending a lot of time with spouses, with parents, with siblings, with kids. And, after a while, even the most loving families can get on each other's nerves. And so I offer for your reflection this point about perseverance, that when we look around all those with whom we're isolated and we see all their flaws and all of their weaknesses and all of the things that get on our nerves, let's remember to look at our own flaws, our own foibles, all the things that get on other people's nerves. Maybe then that will help us to have just a little bit more perseverance at this time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day today.